Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for haircut help and what you can do to make the process go more smoothly. This is one video in a very large playlist, so please click through and see what makes the most sense for your child. Now this trick is real easy. It just involves blocking by using a face towel. So all you do is take a small face towel or maybe even a little bandana or handkerchief, and if you have a child who's very sensitive or fearful of, say, water when it's sprayed, if your stylist uses a spray bottle, or water while they're having their hair washed, or maybe hairs falling on their forehead area when they're getting it cut, you simply just take a little face cloth or handkerchief or something along those lines and have them put it directly over their face. So it's a complete block. Now it doesn't allow visibility, where the hairspray shield does allow visibility, but this is again another strategy that allows the child to feel some control because they can put the block, and if they do not want to see what's happening, this strategy is a great one to really employ. And remember, if you have a child that's very calmed by scent, you can always spritz a very calming scent onto a handkerchief or a face towel, and while they're doing their full block, they can inhale something that is very calming scent-wise. So it's a real easy trick to try. If you haven't tried it, give this one a whirl. Very, very easy to do, and hopefully it will help your child.
You're a driver, slow down.